Okay, dear friends, after the video, maybe someone should have a little understanding of us. Next, I will show you some of our melee products. For this period, Jesse will introduce you the Euro 2 series products. As you see, there are many types for Euro 2 products. We mainly make Euro 2 products for plunger, pencil injector, and the head rotor, and also nozzle, well, cam discs, and repair keys, and many. Today, you see, I have many product samples here. First, I will show you the head rotor, a heavy one. Here I have two sample head rotors, and the head rotor we currently sell are mainly for VE pumps and the DPA pumps. And it's mainly divided into 4 cylinders and 6 cylinders. The first one, this one, I will show you, is a 4-cylinder head rotor. It's used for VE pump. You can have a look of the detail. You can see, my friends, this product named head rotor it's a 4-cylinder and it's for VE pumps. This product is a little heavy. Okay, next, a different one. This one is a 4-cylinder head rotor, and it's for DPA pumps. You can also see the details. It's very beautiful of the surface. Can you see? It has a 6 holes because it's a 6-cylinder VE pumps.